Hi and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. My name is Rosa. My channel's Deliciously Set, and let's get this day going. I am working on all things house today. I have 2 loads of laundry going. I need to make the bed, clean the dog water, and just make the house feel home again. In the laundry room for a little laundry shuffle. The sun's going to be out today, so all this I'm going to hang outside. I try to keep as much out of the dryer as possible because the dryer will wear your clothing down, and there's less ironing if you, well, who irons nowadays anyway, but there's less ironing if your clothing has dried, straightened out. Let's make the bed. I just wash the sheets and get this room back to normal. I found a pair of pants underneath my husband's pillows. I'm going to put these up, take his socks to the laundry room, and some towels. Looks a little better already. I'm going to go get the bedspread out of the dryer and finish making the bed. And get these towels in the washing machine also. I still have a Halloween pumpkin back there that needs to be put away. Another load in and back to the bedroom with sheets. I'm on just my 3rd load of laundry today. And as I'm walking through my house, you see, it's a mess behind me everywhere I walk. So on an everyday basis, that first comforter is all we use. And since it doesn't get cold here, it's all we need. But this one just makes it a little nicer. I'm trying to make the bed look better, more inviting, as if I need a bigger or better excuse to go to bed. But that's what it looks like right now. Not too bad, I don't think. I need 2 wash dog beds though. So the seat covers that are in the family room for the dogs and the beds will get washed as soon as the load that's in there is done. Next thing I'm going to do before leaving this room is cleaning out that vacuum and turning it on. hair gets stuck in the wheels. This is the amount of dog hair and stuff that comes out of this vacuum. I am back in the car now. I'm taking a little break from housework. My husband needed some blood work, so I am with him at the lab. I'm actually in the car. I don't want to go in there. And just waiting on him. Maybe we'll run a couple quick errands and then he'll be back to the house. While we were out, we went to a French cafe. It's a sandwich shop and got a breakfast sandwich that my husband and I will share. And picked up this lovely thing at Costco. I did not show us running into Costco, but we picked up that plant that I showed you and coffee and Gatorades and just a couple things I needed. It wasn't even much of anything. I had one return also. And then we stopped at that sandwich shop and got that delicious sandwich, breakfast sandwich, which will probably hold us over till dinner. I have this tree in the living room that I asked my son to put up, and he's putting it up for me. He does this tree for me every year. He finished the tree for me and it looks great. And that's in our living room. And that's 4 trees that are up this year. None of them have ornaments, and I'm really debating whether I should do ornaments this year or not. I don't know. We'll see how it ends up. But for now, there's 4 trees up, and we'll see what else we do. I have so much more housework to get done today. I'm just gonna focus on getting all that done, and I've shown you a small snippet of what I have going on. But I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching and coming along with me. I really appreciate you. I'm hoping you are enjoying Vlogmas as much as I am. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.